Hey guys, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, serving these delicious lobster tails, the sweetest and most tender part of the lobster, cooked to perfection, garnished with a delicious garlic butter, and bursting with such amazing flavor. A quick and easy highlight of a romantic dinner for two, setting the scene for love and elegance. What an excellent way to say I love you on Valentine's Day or a special anniversary, celebrating another year with the one you love. Come, let's get dinner started and the atmosphere set for romance, shall we? Welcome, my carbless darlings. Let's get started on prepping our lovely lobster tails here. We're going to first butterfly our tails like the one you see here that I've already done, removing all the delicious chunky meat from the shells and resting it on top for a nice gourmet touch. Turn the tails over, guys. You see these claws here on the bottom? We're gonna cut these jokers off. For one, the presentation will be more visually appealing to the eyes without little feet on your plate. And secondly, it doesn't look like these lobsters are going anywhere anytime soon other than your tummy. So I don't think they're really gonna miss these claws anyhow. On the serious note, guys, we're gonna clip them off because they serve absolutely no purpose to leave them on. Now we're going to take our shears and split straight down the center of the hard top shell like this. Go all the way to the tip of the fins and stop here. Now the goal here is to open the shell without cracking it. So take your time and be gentle as we detach the meat along the sides. And there. Go ahead and lift the whole chunk of meat upward and rest it along the shell. Guys, sometimes the meat can be a little stubborn, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes quite easy. Once we have them all butterfly, we can go ahead and season the meat with a blend of onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, and garlic powder. Go ahead and sprinkle your blended seasoning to coat over the top of your meat. Then we're going to rub it throughout the meat. Work it in there good with your fingers. And guys, don't forget to season on the other side as well. This is one of the benefits of butterflying your lobster tails, to get access to the meat in order to infuse your lobster tails with all this delicious flavor here. Ooh, this is gonna taste so good, guys. On to our garlic butter. In a small saucepan, melt 1 whole stick of butter. Add in half a tablespoon of minced garlic, a dash of minced onion flakes, and 1 tablespoon of dry parsley flakes. Stir to blend all this delicious flavor together as your butter melts down. Now we're going to brush on all this tasty goodness onto our tails before we place them into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your lobster tails, or until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees. To add to our dinner, I am pairing our lobster tails with these delicious sirloin steaks, the ideal surf and turf combination, seasoned and seared to a tender and juicy perfection using my stovetop cast iron griddle. No need to dine out, guys. This is the perfect combo for you to create a delicious romantic dining experience right there in your very own homes. Quick and easy, yet so elegant. And for our vegetable, guys, I'm going to roast my asparagus in the oven to a lovely tender crisp, sprinkled with olive oil and seasoned with garlic powder and black pepper. Again, the perfect choice of vegetables that pair so well with the romantic vibe that we're creating here. And lastly, guys, for our side dish, I'm going with a delicious cheesy scalloped turnips, replacing the starchy high carbs of potatoes. I have a full step-by-step video on scalloped turnips that I recently uploaded that you can watch to get all the details on how to make this incredible dish. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. These turnips are the perfect substitute for potatoes and are absolutely delicious, guys, giving you the exact same texture and yummy goodness of potatoes, but without the starch and carbs of potato. Makes it a perfect way to complete our romantic meal for this evening. Guys, I'm so excited to plate up and reveal how amazing this dinner turned out. So let's go ahead and set the atmosphere with a touch of ambiance to bring in a romantic vibe that this dinner for two deserves. Guys, my husband's love language is gifting me with beautiful gifts. I'm assembling the beautiful roses and lovely bouquet of balloons that he brought home, and I'm going to use them as a focal point for my tablescape. And guys, I can't wait to show you how this dinner for two turns out, so keep on watching.
Go place to place looking for who no one can love you the way I do. They don't understand what you love and when he are. Love everything you are. You show me, yeah. You are my shining star. Keep on knocking doors.
While gifting is my husband's love language, serving is my most dominant love language. And nothing says I love you more than a delicious home-cooked meal. I hope this inspires you to make your most precious moments sacred with the one you love. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.